Did you know that New Jersey just enacted a new law that impacts buying and selling real estate in New Jersey? Stay tuned to find out more. I'm Joseph York, and this is the Jersey Shore Market Watch. Hi everyone, I'm Joseph York, Jersey Shore real estate expert and broker salesperson with Weichert Realtors in Spring Lake, New Jersey. Today we're diving into some significant changes in the real estate industry here in New Jersey. If you're buying or selling a home, it is crucial to understand how this new law will impact you. In March of 2024, the National Association of Realtors reached a settlement in the Sitzer-Burnett class action lawsuit. As a result, the Department of Justice outlined new guidelines for how real estate transactions can be conducted. Each state is now implementing new laws to be compliant with the DOJ's ruling, and new real estate procedures will kick in August of 2024. In fact, in New Jersey, the new law is in effect starting August 1st of 2024. Today, we'll discuss how this impacts buying and selling real estate. This video will focus on how this new law is going to impact sellers. If you're looking to buy real estate in New Jersey, go ahead and click this button right here, which will bring you to our buyer video on the same topic. All right, sellers, let's talk about how this law is going to impact you. So, what's the first thing we need to do when we're ready to sell our home? That's to find the right agent. If you live in Monmouth or Ocean County, New Jersey, and you're ready to sell your home, please contact me today. I'd be happy to meet with you and discuss how I can sell your home for the most amount of money in the least amount of time and make the experience a pleasurable one for you and your family. If you live outside of Monmouth and Ocean County, reach out to me. I'd be happy to connect you with a local market expert in your area, because remember, local matters. You need a local market expert if you want great results. All right, so let's talk about what's changed. The biggest change in this new law is how we pay commissions. So when you meet with a listing agent, you discuss their marketing plan and how they're going to get your home sold. And part of that conversation is the compensation that you'd pay them. In the past, we'd often pay our agents, let's say a 6% commission, where they're keeping a 3% commission on the list side and offering a buyer's broker an additional 3%, so a total of 6%. Well, due to this lawsuit, the DOJ has asked us to decouple commissions. So what does that mean? That means that we are no longer going to be able to advertise a buyer's agent commission in the MLS, nor will you be obligated to provide one. You can choose if you want to pay a buyer's agent, and sometimes that may be the right choice, sometimes it may not be. All of these things will be negotiated in the contract of sale rather than pre-negotiated at listing. So when you meet with your listing agent, all you need to discuss is what you're going to offer them. So now let's talk about when those offers come in. Maybe you get an offer where they're asking you to pay a buyer's agent commission. This may still be the best offer you get. Because ultimately, what do you want? You want to walk away with the most amount of money. You want to net the most amount of money. So sometimes that offer will be one where you have to pay a buyer's agent, and sometimes it won't be. This is a great new thing that we get to negotiate these into the contract. It's not predetermined. So what other changes should a seller expect in today's market? Well, one major change is that you are now required to complete a seller's disclosure. A seller's disclosure is a comprehensive document that answers questions about your home, information that any buyer would want to know. For instance, how old is your roof? How old is your HVAC system? Have you ever had water enter the basement? Any termite damage that you might know about in the past, whether it's treated or untreated? So this document needs to be completed, and in fact, the law stipulates that any contract of sale for real property must include a fully executed seller's disclosure in order for the contract to be valid. So this is something that's going to be required. In the past, we often saw in situations like estates or people that are flipping homes and they've never lived there, that they didn't complete these documents. But now, regardless of the situation, you'll need to fill out a seller's disclosure. And this is something that you can walk through with your licensed real estate professional. I hope you found this video helpful to explain the changes to the real estate industry in the state of New Jersey. If you have any other questions that weren't answered in this video, please feel free to reach out to me on my cell at 848-207-1495 or at my email, josephyorksellsnj@gmail.com. I'm always here to help and offer some candid advice. If you're looking to list your property in Monmouth or Ocean County, reach out to me now and we'll get the conversation started. Have a great day. I'm Joseph York, and this is the Jersey Shore Market Watch.